Hi! We're gonna do the Breadboard Project. Alright, so first of all, you plug in the black to the furthest outside on the breadboard. Let's go ahead and bring it down. Okay, that's the battery. Oh, the lighting's a little bit messed up. Let's adjust that. Alright. Can it see? Oh, maybe
Yeah,
I'm just not at the right angle. Alright, it's gonna have to work. So the black goes in here. Furthest. Red one in here. This is the battery, by the way. Just for all you noobs out there. It's an Energizer 9-volt. Alright. So now it's like we got this battery in the breadboard. It's on the outside. It's like, damn it, Cotton, what do I do next? Well, we got the resistor is what we got next. So we plug it in the same, actually no, a different column. We plug it in right here.
Boom.
Different row, different column. It's got all sorts of differences. And then we got, alright, this is where it gets tricky. Alright, we're going to plug it on the other side. See that? Yeah. Plug it right there. Now, I got to figure out, hey, I got this cable and I got this cable. How can I make it go from this cable to this cable and then make this light up? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it in a second. Just give me a second. Okay. Alright, so we're going to plug the cable furthest to the left right in next to here. This will be in the same row. And I'm going to need to retwist the wire because this is flimsy and it just won't plug in. Heck yeah. Alright. We're going to do the same thing, the furthest to the left. Oh! The resistor popped out. Plug that bad boy back in, okay? So, I don't tell you, you gotta be a bodybuilder to plug these resistors in there. Gosh, I feel like Inspector Clouseau. Alright, so furthest to the left on this other XLR in a different. Man, I swear to God, if this thing doesn't plug in, I get very angry. Gosh. They make these wires in China? These are soft. Alright, so that's in a different one right there. Now we're going to bring the middle wire in the same row as the left wire on that other one, if this makes any sense to anybody who's watching. Alright, so now we got that. What do we do next? We go right back to the same one where I just plugged the middle one. We're going to plug the furthest one in a different column. Okay? Now, we're going to plug the middle one, which happens to be the red one, right here, on the other XLR in the same row. If this isn't confusing you by now, then I don't know what to tell you, because it sure as hell confused me. Alright. Now let's just twist this wire and make it stronger, because I love to do that. Oh yeah. It's going in there nicely. No, it's not. I wish I had some like elevator music. Dude, that would be so funny, wouldn't it? If I had some elevator music.
Dude, yes.
Alright. Alright. If you could plug in now, that'd just be awesome. It's time to stop messing around. These people want to know how to work a breadboard. Oh! No! Tragedy. Tragedy. We got a man down. Seems that the wire furthest to the left has come out of place. I'm posting this video even if it's 30 minutes long. I don't care. I'm determined. See, we pay $40,000 to go here. I'm determined to work this damn breadboard.
We get flimsy wires.
An OG once told me.
OG
It's-
Kush?
No, an OG once told me. An OG told me you must know how to work a breadboard to get bread. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's work this breadboard. Okay. This is the. Gosh, what am I doing? Oh, actually, okay. I do know. Got turned around, but I'm back on it. Back in the game. Okay, now we're plugging this flimsy wire into the same row, the red wire, but it's just not going in. Terrific. Jesus. Okay. Alright. I have squished that. That better go in. So this is the middle wire on this other XLR. Now we're going to plug the furthest wire on the same one. No, we're not. Yeah, we are. Furthest wire down here. Bam. Now, I'm going to have to show a picture because the audience is probably getting bored hearing me talk, which is fine. So here you guys get to see the action. Take a look at that. Let's just hope none of these wires pop out, okay? We got the XLRs ready to go here. We're going to have some fun now. Now comes the fun part. You get to see magic. It's going to light up. Alright. See that glowing? It's not glowing. I need to put this into motion and just put a glow effect. Turn it the other way. Oh, still not glowing. Oh, well, one of these, troubleshoot, one of these is not plugged in. Okay? And it would be the battery. Okay? Need that guy. Don't make the same mistake as me. Even us professionals make mistakes occasionally. Oh yeah, it's plugged in, it's ready to go. I'm just gonna plug this red wire in, cause if it was if it had a personality, it'd be very stubborn. Alright, I'm actually going to plug this last wire from the XLR into a different one. Because it seems that that row is just not very cool at all. So we're going to go ahead and try this one more time. Please work. Gee dang it. Oh, you know what? I didn't put in the, yes I did. They're in. What am I talking about? Never mind. I was going to say I didn't put in the patch bays.
Patch base.
Whatever they're called. I thought they were called patch bays. Oh, yep. Hey, yep. Folks. Yep. There it is. Okay, you can still see it. I can even. Oh,
Yep.
well, we're losing signal. Okay, it's back on. You guys see that? No, maybe you don't.
Yeah, it's good, dude.
Maybe. Hold on. Bring it into the light. Maybe shine it at a different angle. But I did not do all this work so that the audience couldn't see the final product that I'm providing. Alright, actually. Oh, nope, 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 nope. There it is. See that? Oh, that's a good light right there. Alright. You saw it first, right here. On RaphaelVideos.net. Don't try to go to that website, though. It's not a real website. Okay.